Hello everyone, welcome to TrackHr. Today's topic is how to create stage tickets. Before we start, let's quickly talk about what stage tickets actually are. You will have tasks that are linked to each other. For example, the task in stage 1 needs to be completed before you can start the task in stage 2. Or sometimes, stage 1 and 2 are linked, but you can work on both at the same time. So, let's see how to create stage tickets. Open TrackHr on your phone. As soon as you open the app, you will land on the home screen. Now, you click on the three bars next to the screen to go to the ticket section. Here, click on the plus sign at the bottom right to add a ticket, just like you usually do. Choose the category, add a description, select the person it's allocated to, and the person who checked it. If you have any extra info, put it in the remarks. Fill in the turnaround time section, and if you want, you can add an observer too. Now, click on Add Stage. Again, you'll need to choose the allocated person and the person who checked it. You can add extra remarks. Turnaround time will fill them in. Here, you can enable the location on actions option and also set a due date. Click OK. Now you'll see both stages of your task displayed on the screen. Up top, you will notice two options, sequential and parallel. Sequential means you cannot start the second stage task until the first stage task is complete. Parallel means you can work on both stages at the same time. Again, you can also enable the Alert Now option here. You can choose either Yes or Observer. Both options are optional. Now, if you want to link more stages ahead, you can do that by clicking on Add Stage again. Thank you.